Hey everybody, again, see the feet? I'm doing the walk to Sprit Halloween. I don't know if I'm going to do much talking in there because it's Saturday and the parking lot is packed. So we shall see what we can find. Yeah, we know they're going to have costumes, but we're not registering the costumes really. So I'm just going to kind of put you guys up so you can see where we're going. Where is it? I don't know. It's somewhere over there. Here we go. Back to the feet. It's hard when the sun's in your eyes and you're trying to videotape. Oh, I just dropped Sabrina off with her dad. There we go. I don't like the way they have Wednesday. Now you guys know I like Wednesday, but if you actually look at the true Wednesday, she's not so dark. So. I don't think. Do you have anything else? Didn't do much. They did a good job in her hands. Her pendant. Okay. Here's the t-shirts. I kind of like this one. Like I said, even though I'm not a Michael Myers fan or, you know. But I think that one's cool. I wish it was Friday. They had that one last year. Let's see. I know nothing about Sam, the trick-or-treat guy, but I think he's so cute. I think they did that on purpose. And their t-shirts are, let's see, $21.99 for this one that says H is for Halloween, which I do not see up there. There we go. It says H is for Halloween, and there's Michael. Interesting shirt. Cute. But they don't have it up there. Oh, just... I don't like these ones. I don't know why. These shirts don't... That drink up witches needs to go. That really just needs to go. And here's that wicked one. Here where it looks like it's kind of a black. Here's the actual shirt. It's kind of a gray. Like almost like they bleached it. And your spirit shirt. I think that, okay, let's go this way. You can kind of walk down the costumes. I don't know, I really don't in the mood for walking through the costumes, but let's see what we can find. This is kind of, I've liked these ponchos. I've seen them for a few years now. I do like those. I think those are kind of cool. The walking stick. Halloween is the slutty holiday and the glitter holiday. Okay, here we have the mechanic jumpsuit. I bet at this time of year, if you found one in the thrift store. Oh, I like how they are for the girls. And of course the mask. This reminds me of the ones we wore when I was, no, it's not as flimsy, in the 70s. That one's cute. Yeah. I know nothing about all these movies, but I love the...
Yeah. I love them all. They have great stuff this year.
Let's see, Ghostface, how much are you? Ooh, $24.99. Okay, you guys, on Temu, these are like $8. Like the pajamas. The pajamas. I'm probably gonna get copyright again. I got copyrighted for my, where were we? Cracker Barrel. This one we were looking at. That one's cool. I like that. I would wear that. I'd wear this one. I'm gonna have to look online, see if I can find it used. That's a cool one. Hang it up. Let's see how much it is. It is free. I don't have a price. Oh, $39.99. And then here, this is kind of cool. The jacket, the Letterman jacket, ghost face. That's kind of cool. And then they have this for the screen. I saw this somewhere and I thought this was cool. I thought that was a cool. I think someone was showing it. Let me see how much this is. I think this is cool and they do have my size. Let's see. Like I couldn't go find a sweatshirt, right? And do it myself. Because this one is nice. I like this one. Let's see the price. Let's see. I'll just switch with my life. $40. Do you think we can recreate it? I bet we could. This is interesting. So like Day of the Dead, and it's all it's like got glitter. It's kind of cute. I don't know if this is supposed to be with it. Oh, it is. Okay. So that's the jacket part. That'd be a cool costume. Here's the jacket part. She is 60. That's cool. The pants, the leggings. I'm not getting on the floor today, guys. Okay, and then we have all the devils. I was going to do a quick scan of the devils. Or the black robe. You can be anything with that black robe. You could even be Morticia. Because here we have our Addams family. There's Wednesday. The top. And it is $49.99. It's dress tights. Hoodless figure. Oh, so you get Marie Antoinette. Here's the necklace. Oh, the keychain. It's okay. Earrings with Nevermore on it. And this dress, it's like a polyester. Got that polyester material. Let's see the sweatshirt. Nevermore Academy. That's supposed to be her dress. The Cousin It. Which it looks like it's just a wig and glasses for $30. Her dress. Oops, there's her dress. That is $50. And that same thing up there. And it comes with a belt. Just the dress and the belt. Okay, let's go this way. We get people. I don't want to get people. Corpse Bride. If you're in the Corpse Bride, that's cute. So the shirt, and it's half right at the bottom. There's the veil, and you can see her in there. And you got the veil for $44.99. So $45 for that. I don't know. I like the socks. The socks are pretty. You get 2 pairs of socks. I like the colors. That's what it is. $12.99 for the socks. That's not bad. And then, let's see. Here we have your cheerleaders and your zombies. And we have Winifred over here. There's Billy. I don't know if I want to say yes, I like it, or I don't like it. I don't know. First of all, it is polyester feeling. It just has the girls there. And on the back it says, I put a spell on you. And it is $34.99. I don't know, guys. I think you could do Winifred yourself. Now, then, I like her. Is her eyeball up there? That's cool. That is cool. And then you have your witches. Why do they make us like this? I like this hat with the feathers. That one's pretty. Can't see the price, but that one's pretty. And they have like some felt hats. They have the oof. $16.99. That's not bad. That is not bad at all. I like that one. And they're in purple and in black, and it matches the robe. The hats are pretty. Family Dollar has a cool broom out this year. Let's go over here, back over here. Okay, go down here. We got our clowns. We got the clowns. Sabrina won't match me anymore. Chucky. Oh, let's see this Chucky purse. This is kind of cool. The Chucky purse. And it's this Chucky. And then you got the wristlet, so it's a little wristlet up here. And then you got here. And it unzips completely around. So you can unzip it all the way around. And let's see. $20. That's not bad for that. It's a nice quality. It's not bad at all. Let's see. I think one year Sabrina was gonna be Chucky, and something happened. Let's see. We got the pajamas down here, and we got the the shirt. Again, I haven't seen the movie, so I don't know anything about it. But this shirt is $34.99. And then you have the sweater. The good guy sweater. Which I bet if I walked over the right now, we could find the sweater. Oh, and you get, no, the sweater and a knife is what you get for $39.99. Okay, need to go a little faster. Here's Freddy. I've always liked that one. I've always liked the dress. I might. We've got it in my size. I've always liked the Freddy costume. Does it come with the hat? Let's see. Let's see. The dress. And do you get the... It comes just with the dress. So all the rest you have to do yourself. And the plus size one is $40. And, oh, they're all $40 for the dress. Kind of like it. And then this is just the sweater. And that's $34.99. The claws are, like the glove, $19.99 for the glove. His hat is $26.99. And then these are pajamas, so it's a sleep set. Get the on the side, and whoops. There we go. And there's the price, $29.99. And then the men's. Then you got Sam. He's so cute. I'm sorry. Here's his lollipop. His lollipop's $12.99. I like the patches. Is the patch and pin $12.99. Okay, guys, it's getting I'm gonna kind of walk through. I'm not gonna do much talking. Clowns from outer space. The more clowns. And then you got like your just interesting things. You have hand puppets. 40. And then your superheroes and villains. Oh, here we have our Jack and Sally. This is cool. Oogie Boogie for female Oogie Boogie. She's $39.99. Sorry for the glare, guys. There we go. A blow-up inflatable costume. He's 70. We have the gloves, the hat, the walking stick, or they're calling it staff. Nails. You know me and nails. Let's see. I like that these are short. $6.99 for the nails. So you have the Jack ones and you have the Sally ones. Oh, here's our Beetlejuice stuff. Things are in different places this year. There's your Beetlejuice jammies, your Beetlejuice cane. Like the hat, it says strange and unusual. Let's see if we can find a price. Not on this one. Oh. Can I get it back up there? No, I'm too short. And then you have Lydia. Let's see if we can find the price on this hat, guys. $26.99 or $29.99. Couldn't tell. There's your Beetlejuice. There's a baseball cap. And then we have the kind of like the SpongeBob's. Oh, we're about to hit Barbie. Oh, here's Monster High. I just want this, the crossbody bag. This is what I want. And it is $24.99. That's not bad. The leg warmers, they call them socks. Okay, they are socks. Accessory kits, fangs, nails, earrings. Oops, I'm sorry guys, I'm doing a bad job today, huh? Now we have the Mario. We're gonna go this way. Trick or treat bags. I'm looking for like the little accessory stuff. Oh, look at. Oh, this is nice. It's gotta be Loungefly. What do you think? Is it? Oh, it's Bio World, $59.99, and it's corduroy. Peter Pan. Yellowstone. Poodles. 50s. Gangsters.
Come here, kids.
Hold on. Okay, guys, it's getting really busy here, so I'm going to do a quick scan. You guys can see the skeletons, the skull garlands, and the step pad. This is like their mega spider webs and so on. Your tablecloth. There's Chucky crashing through the door and the monster. Those are nice. And then we come over here. I love this. Look at a clown garland. Not for me. But then they have an octopus skeleton. They have the little baby alien. I like him. And then we have turtles and crows. Zombie hands coming out. This is the spot I wanted to come to. So I'm just going to kind of do scan, guys, again. I'm probably going to be letting go soon because I said it's getting crazy in here. But I wanted to show you the Haunted Mansion stuff. I like the bride mug. $9.98. And it's a axe. It's kind of lightweight, though. Beetlejuice stuff. That'd be cool to have in the house. I think at that point, guys, you can kind of see we got one of the busts from the cemetery, the blankets, all the blankets. We got Hocus Pocus blanket, ghost face. You guys know me and Ouija's, I don't believe. More. And we have our dolls. For all my doll people. Let's see what she does. I like her.
Don't ever leave me alone. I'll get very upset. You don't want to see me upset.
That was cool. Okay. I can't get him to work. Eerie Emma. Clowns. The crawling babies. The pumpkin. Pumpkin guy, she's the one I can get to work, so I guess she's the one I gotta get, right?
Are you ready to join me on the eternal adventure?
Anyways, guys, on that note, I'm gonna leave you because like I said, there's so much going on. Check out your spirit store, see if they've opened yet, and you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the flip side. Bye, everybody.